We usually view the human brain as a biological engine. It appears to be an active manufacturer, churning out thoughts and awareness as if they were products made on an assembly line. Looking at the mechanics of human awareness, however, suggests we have the process reversed. Instead of broadcasting awareness from the inside out, the mind behaves more like a specialized receiver. It catches and shapes awareness based on the external conditions it encounters. This occurs through a configuration state. This is the precise physical and geometrical arrangement of your body and your surroundings at any single frozen moment in time. In this model, you are the geometry of the antenna. The specific shape you take in space dictates exactly which signals you are capable of receiving. This thesis provides the blueprint for our receiver model. Point 1 establishes the primary equation: consciousness equals configuration state. The document identifies data as foundational. The feeling of being conscious is a direct result of raw data processed through your current physical arrangement. Adjust the lighting, shift your posture, or change the room's air pressure, you are altering the physical data points in the system. The equation produces a different result. Awareness becomes a mathematical output. It is determined by how every data point inside and outside the body is arranged right now. To see how this works, we can start with a baseline. Imagine a subject sitting perfectly still in a quiet room. This is their initial configuration state. Now we introduce a new variable. The temperature and humidity in the room climb rapidly. This thermal shift forces the body to physically reconfigure. Blood vessels dilate and heart rates adjust. Because the physical geometry has changed, the antenna is now receiving a different conscious frequency than it was at the baseline. We can add a social variable as well, like a house pet walking into the room. The proximity of another living entity changes the spatial geometry of the subject. Their attention and physical tension shift, tuning the antenna to another frequency. You are not just reacting. The variables in the room are dismantling your previous physical state and rebuilding you as a new configuration. This process is even more obvious when we look at the biological changes happening inside the subject.